sabes. Ey, ya tú sabes. That is spaz. Ya tú sabes. That I spaz. Ey, estoy escuchando los voces que dicen que sigo atrás. Los digo que sigo rompiendo. Still got my foot on the gas. Still going 100 what they doing.
How y'all doing? My new subscribers was popping. For no one else want to do this since day one, mad love y'all. Appreciate y'all.
Esto fue que se anime al gym. I've been lifting up all of this baggage. Remember staying up 2 or 3 nights cause I didn't get no sleep, I was too busy trapping. Escribiendo un par de canciones para irme a sleep, man, you know I was spazzing. Pa' de blunt y se cae Dolores.
Oh, what's up guys, it's your boy Ethan Kiddo 7 back with another video. How y'all doing out there guys? For my new subscribers was popping. For now that always been this is day one, mad love y'all. Appreciate y'all for real. How's everybody doing guys? I hope everybody's doing good. I hope y'all staying motivated, staying positive, and keep your head up, man. Any situation y'all go through, anything that's happening in life, man, pray. Never forget to pray, alright? And stay positive at all costs, you know what I mean? And stay motivated. And keep doing what you're doing, man. Don't give up, guys. Don't give up, don't give up, don't give up. Because we only got one life to live, man. And we got to do it the right way. You feel me? So, right now, I have a special video for y'all. I got a package straight from Mexico, alright? From the homie Cesar Flores. You know what I mean? He been doing his thing, man. I've been getting parts for him for years and years and years. So right now we got a special package that we got to open up. Is have a little bit of mine and a little bit of a customers that we got going on in here. So let's get to it. First thing I'm gonna bring out this right here. I think this is all mine right here. It's gonna go in for, if y'all been following me, it's gonna go in for my one of my lowrider bikes that is named Cartagena. And I'm getting parked little by little for it. You know what I mean? It's not in a rush, but I'm trying to get it done. And I'm trying to go to, like I said, try to go to Vegas. You know, hopefully next year I go over there. And I don't think I will be able to go this year, but most definitely for next year. Okay. I won't scratch anything under here. He packaged pretty good in here. First thing we got that's gonna go on the lowrider bike that I have, Cartagena, we got the sprocket. Beautiful. Next things we got is for my customers. feel like Christmas right now. Sorry about my camera. My tripod is messed up. I just ordered a new one though, but it's turning and twisting right now. I can see it. Let me break it and I just put it away safely. Jeez. I got in Tonga. You know what I mean? It's for one of the lowrider bikes that I got going on right now. One of them. Second one. Second one I got. Beautiful. La Mexicana. Nice. Look at that. Straight beautiful as well. And then the last one I got, this one came out fire. This one came out nice. The friend I'm doing it for a friend, and she's a singer, you know what I mean? She's a rapper, she's an artist, and she's doing her thing out here. Miss Lily, go follow her, Miss Lily, in all social media platforms. This one came on fire. Look at that one. Miss Lily. You know what I mean? She could put it on her bike. She could take it off. She could take pictures with him like this. Feel me? Chilling. Oh, let me fix that because it's probably bothering y'all. I know it'd be bothering me. Shit. Are we good? Yeah, we good. Better. Alright, so I got that going on. A lot of trash. So we got that going on right now. I got more too that are going.
Bicycles.
Want to order 20 bikes?
Yeah, all golden.
Nah. Mira.
Everything gold. Miss Lily. La Mexican. La Mexicana.
Esto para un cliente.
Custom made.
Yeah, para un cliente.
En Tonga.
I got a big surprise right here. Hopefully it came good. What you guys think it is? What you guys think it is? Oh, y'all can't see. Put it right here. There's two things in here. So what we got in here is this joint right here, and he gave me the accessories. That's what's up. I'm gonna show y'all this later right here. You can't look at it. We got another part right here. And yeah, any of these ideas that I got right now, I've been having it for years. You know, I had the idea for years and I didn't really have the money for it, or I just been waiting for the right time, and the right time is now. You know, so we got it right here going on. And the package is good, man. Like he always does a good job packaging his parts up, always. He wants to make sure that his parts come in good. Dang, this is taking long. With a nice dollar sign. I'm gonna show you where it's gonna go at. I got another one too. Y'all can see what's going on. Y'all see what's going on. Look at that. Beautiful. This right here is gonna go on my forks. I'm gonna show y'all how. Probably in another video or now. I'm not sure yet. All depends. Last but not least, best for the best. We say the best for last, right? So we got here. You can see what's going on. Watch out. We got a crown. You know what this is gonna be for? This is steering wheel. This is the idea I have for a couple years, and finally made it. We finally made it for it to come true. So this will be a steering wheel for a bike, for Cartagena, familia Cartagena bike. So this is what we got going on right now. This is gonna be the steering wheel for it, and I think it's gonna come out good. It's gonna come out nice. So yeah, what you guys think?
How you doing?
I'm alright. So how you doing?
Good.
Good, good. Real quick, so where this is gonna go at, guys, all right, it's gonna be in a fork like this. It's gonna be like that. That's what it's gonna be at, a fork like that. It's gonna look nice. Alright guys, so I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more videos. Like I said, man, it's your boy Kiddo7. And I appreciate the comments, I appreciate the love, I appreciate all that y'all do, man. I appreciate the support, most likely, you feel me? So I just wanna say God bless y'all. You know, stay prayed up, you know what I mean? And always stay positive, man. Never negative, man. It's always easy to be negative, man. It's hard to be positive, man. So stay what y'all doing, man. Keep your head up, man. God bless. To my next video. Peace.